Hello everyone. Today mostly we can expect the Indian market to react for the yesterday's GST Council meeting. So in this video, let's see those in detail. But before that, let's look at our regular pre-market report for today, 10th September 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday, two sectors turned positive. One FMCG and two financials. Here, FMCG is positive because of the meteorological department's monsoon forecast that during weekend they said India had a very good monsoon so far and expecting good monsoon for September month also. In addition to that, now Diwali related consumer optimism started to creep up, and also in the last pre-market video we discussed about the HUL's new ice cream business exploration. Hence, it's understandable why FMCG yesterday was positive, but why banking and financials turned positive. I have no idea other than low valuation. So if anyone know about it, please let me know in the comment section. So because of these two sectors, though Nifty opened gap down, it was able to recover and closed positive after 3 days of negative close last week. I mean, morning Indian market recovery is pure due to the domestic market strength, since at that time all the major Asian market were trading and closed negative. However, in the afternoon, European market started to support the global momentum and hence our market able to close positive. Here last week, Europe's consumer inflation data came as 2.2% for August month, which we did discuss in one of the last week's pre-market video, and the inflation data was very close to 2% target. Just for info, already this year European Central Bank had one 25 basis point rate cut in June month. However, after that, so far they paused it and kept it unchanged. Now during weekend, analysts predicting another 25 basis point rate cut in the upcoming Thursday European Central Bank's monetary policy meeting. Hence, yesterday, not just Indian market, most of the European market also closed positive. This positive global momentum was carried forward to US market, and together with the short covering, last night US market was able to recover half of their loss on the last Friday. Dow Jones up by 1.2%, S&P 500 increased by 1.16%, and Nasdaq also increased 1.17%. On the more positive side, VIX dropped by 13% and moved below to 19.45 from above 22. However, please remember there are two very important events are due in US, and both of them are make or break events. One, tonight US presidential election debate, and tomorrow night US consumer inflation data for the August month release. Now, some might wonder why I'm saying US presidential election debate. Regarding the reason, during weekend, Goldman Sachs released the report that Kamala Harris corporate tax increase will likely lead to deterioration of S&P 500 profit by 5% kind of. Here, nothing political, but from pure stock market perspective, Trump is a known devil and market is betting for it. So by chance, if Trump performs very badly in the debate means, I personally think market might react negative, but who knows? I can be wrong. Hence, at present, I don't have any trade open position. If not this election debate is scheduled means, probably I might just sold some Bank Nifty call option with hedge as inflation data is scheduled release on Wednesday night. But now, because of this election debate, I don't want to enter the trade. Anyway, Indian ADR wise, both the banks closed really positive. HDFC Bank ADR increased above 1.5% and ICICI Bank ADR increased by 2%. Here, ICICI Bank in Indian market also increased by around 2%. Hence, I would say for now, there is no fresh positive, but still as a sector from ADR perspective, banking is positive. However, IT stocks is indicating mixed signals as Wipro ADR was down around 0.5% and Infosys increased by 0.35%. Moving on regarding GIFT Nifty, early morning today it closed at 25,051, equating with the spot market. For now, it's indicating gap up opening of 60 to 70 points. About oil, no change, still trading around the same range. At the time of this video, WTI crude trading around $69 per barrel and Brent crude closed at near $72 per barrel. Those were the things happened yesterday in the global market. Now let's look at the India related info. About the GST Council meeting, we can discuss in three categories, what sectors was reduced. Second, I like to discuss about the insurance sector, and third, finally, where they increased the GST rate. First, which sector they reduced. The answer is pharma and snack making companies. Since for pharma in certain drugs, they reduced the GST to 5% from previous 12%. Here, as per NDTV Profit, About India, Zydus Life Science, Alchem Lab, Cipla, Biocon and AstraZeneca are the companies likely to be impacted by this change. Then for savory snacks, they reduced it to 12% from previous 18%. So Pratap Snacks, Bikaji Foods International and Gopal Snacks likely to be influenced. Now regarding the health and life insurance, market widely expected for the GST reduction. However, the council haven't done the reductions. Rather, they acknowledged the fact and the requirement for the reduction. So, they want to form the committee in the respective ministry and then required to submit the proposal by October month. Then the GST Council said after the report, then on the November Council meeting, they will take a call regarding the GST rate reduction for both health and life insurance space. Hence, from market perspective, it's not outright negative and not positive as well. So, not sure how market will react for it today. On the increasing side, GST Council increased the rate from 18% to 28% for some auto auxiliary components like seats, etc. Hence, we can expect Bharat seats to have impacted by this move. That's it about the GST Council. The next info is about Hero MotoCorp. Their associate company Aether Energy Limited filed the draft red herring prospectus for IPO listing. Hence, we can expect Hero MotoCorp share price will be on focus. In addition, Tata Motors cuts the vehicle cost by over 2 lakhs for attempting to attract the Diwali consumer. Then Tata Power has commenced the production of solar cells at its 4.3 gigawatt manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu. So Tata Motors and Tata Power will be on focus as well. As a summary, global momentum improved on the expectation of European rate cut this Thursday. So US market closed significantly positive. Hence for now, GIFT Nifty is indicating the gap up opening of 60 to 70 points. However, personally today market will react for this GST Council meeting outcome. Let's see. Then about the things to look out. Before our market opening, lots of Chinese trade related data is due. Then in the afternoon, Germany's consumer inflation and European economic forecast, both the macros are due to release. Finally, in the night, OPEC monthly report and US presidential election debate are some of the items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, as I said, Nifty opened gap down but closed on the positive note. Hence, on the daily chart, it formed the bullish candlestick pattern with a lower shadow. Here, the lower shadow is the indication of support-based buying 20-day moving average 24,800. However, as long as Nifty is below 25,100, we cannot say the momentum is turned and we can expect more sideways till that crossing. So on the higher end, 25,000 to 25,100 range might act as the crucial near-term resistance, and on the lower end, support is at 24,800 to 24,785 zone, below which selling might increase. Then in case of Bank Nifty, same as Nifty, opened lower and closed positive. However, it outperformed Nifty. Thus, on the daily chart, it formed a long green candle almost the same size as red candle which it formed on last Friday. Hence, it's a V-shaped recovery. So, today candle is crucial for the direction. For now, support is at 50,500 to 50,350 and the resistance is at 15,375 to 15,450. So, that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.